So, here are the girls having their breakfast, no afternoon tea. They produce 2 eggs a day. Plum trees, coming along beautifully. View, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Tropical garden, doing its thing in the corner, bananas. What else? Guavas, spot that sky. Limes, tropical apricot, mulberry, sugarcane. Fig. Sleep out, new sleep out. Looking good. Okay, that's the master mistress bedroom, the hallway, the minibar, and this spare room, which may be a homeopathic room one day. It may be B&B, who knows. Now we're going up the back passage because the steps haven't been built yet. No one's having a shower or in the loo. Boardwalk leading to passion fruit and main house. And these are my feijoas. Yum. Limes. Yum. Boardwalk leading to sleep out. So, master mistress bedroom. Great view lying down. Lovely bathroom. Gorgeous. Spare room. Lock up. And minibar. I'm been cleaning at the moment because I'm going tomorrow. And then that's about it. And then we'll come up the boardwalk. Ouch. And my passion fruit, abundant. Only get 5 a day, or is it 6? And there we are, the rosemary, the lemon trees, and the view.